Hey everybody, so tonight we're doing another unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. This can be really quick. I've been trying to buy these carburetors for a good long time. Unfortunately, the seller had some family issues, and we had agreed to a price, and then months and months he couldn't make it happen. It's fine. He reached out to me last week and said, "Hey, I can do it, and I'll lower the price, and I'll cover the shipping." I was like, "Deal." So you can't pass up a set of, even if they're Empis, we'll discuss the Chinese versus Spanish and every other type of Weber there is in a little bit, but some Empi ICTs with type 4 manifolds, hopefully, and linkage for 170 bucks. So, without any further ado, gotta love the masking tape. It's like Christmas. I love me some Christmas. Alright, so looking pretty good so far. I mean, it's an MP34 ICT, so type 4 manifolds. I'll take it. Set this one aside. Let's dig out the other one. Let me make a mess. Yes, that was my cutting implement that I just threw. That's okay. And carburetor number 2. So the seller said he bought these to go on his type 1 engine. Didn't realize they were type 4. And by the time he was going to pay for linkage and manifolds and everything, it was actually just about the same for him just to get some different carbs. So they were used when he got them. Apparently hadn't been run very long, which, I mean, I can buy that. They're not too gunky. Alright, I'll take it. I dig the short air cleaner on it. So that Empi, meet Empi. Now for honestly the most important part, let's check out the linkage. Yes! I was a little concerned with them being pre-owned, that they would be missing some parts to the linkage. Looks like they are good to go with the hex bar linkage. Sweet. All right, so there's the unboxing. So 170 bucks for a set. I actually have a couple rebuild kits. What I think I'm probably going to actually do is pull the carbs off of these manifolds and put a set of actual Webers on there. And then possibly sell these, or I've got a set of type 1 manifolds as well. Probably just swap them out for these to go on one of the 914s. So thanks again for joining us tonight. I know it's really quick, and I'm not dressed like normal. Got off work, just took off the tie and started this. So like, subscribe, and click that notify button, and tell your friends. Again, we're a really small channel, but we appreciate it, all the comments and likes that we get. So thanks again. Have a great night.